Hey, YouTube friends. We're back with another update of the inventory that's directly behind me. So we have made some progress, and by some progress, I mean I've accomplished one tote this week so far. So today is Thursday. I'm actually working from home today because it is snowing out, and I just didn't feel like driving in the snow, slush, sleet mess that's going to be out there. Um, anyway, so I didn't really get to do much, but what I did tackle is my athletic wear, and I'm going to show you what I ended up doing with the athletic wear. I don't know if I'm going to keep it this way. I'm going back and forth. I think I'm going to leave it the way that I'm doing it, but let me show you. So this tote right here, that guy right there, that is just a Lululemon tote. So all my Lululemon pieces are in this top tote right here. Now, this stuff that's down here, this is all other brands. So we had like Outdoor Voices, Beyond Yoga, Aloe, Feed Me, Fight Me, Athleta, just all different brands that are going to go in this tote. So I'm going to separate my athletic wear into other brands. Athleisure goes in here, and then strictly a Lululemon tote. I typically have, I mean, that tote is filled. There's maybe room for a couple more pieces. I typically find way more Lululemon than I do other brands that I would pick up to sell. So I figured it made sense to have Lululemon in a tote and kind of leave it that way. So we've got some progress here. That tote underneath is the blouses and the tops that I did the other day. I think you guys already saw the pants. And then athleisure, and this will be another athleisure tote. And then let's show you this, this pile. We're going to, so the bags, I'm going to pull that aside. So I really only have those two totes right there with clothing, and then we have this guy right here, which is all the jeans, which is going to be tackled probably last. This is sweaters, cardigans, blazers, jackets, and then some like random stuff mixed in here, like tops and stuff. They're going to end up going in one of the totes I've already completed. And then that tote down there is mostly jackets and blazers. So on the agenda today, because it looks like the snow, can you see outside? Looks like the snow actually stopped. So I'm going to go to Target because I need to pick up more of the gallon totes. Let me turn you around. I'm just showing you inventory here when I really should be turned around and you should be looking at my face. So I'm going to go to Target because I did a Target pickup order for a gallon tote, gallon bags, gallon totes. Listen to me, gallon bags. I need more because I ran out. I ran out of the ones that I got from Amazon. So I figured, well, I'm just going to go to Target and grab those so I can finish up these totes right here that I just showed you that have sweaters and some blouses and stuff in them. Then I'm going to go to Dollar Tree and I'm going to pick up hangers, and we are going to hang up all of the coats. I think once I get all of the coats, and I think I'm going to incorporate blazers in that too, once I hang all that up, this will be really easy to tackle because there won't be that much more left. And then we'll tackle the jeans, which I think I've decided what I'm going to do with the jeans. I think I'm going to separate it by brand because I have a abundance of specific brands. So I will do a Madewell larger tote. I will do a Levi's larger tote. And then the third tote will be any of the other brands that I have, like Revice, Girlfriend, Current Elliott. There's like a couple other ones that I have that can go in the other tote. Sorry guys, my arm's getting tired. So I need to keep moving you around. And then that will be done. The clothing aspect of it all will be complete. Then we will tackle the shoes. I've received a lot of interesting ideas and things for me to think about. So thank you very much for everyone that has shared that. I don't know what I'm going to do. I think my delicate shoes, I'm still going to put on racks like I had originally thought to do. Then I think my more rugged boots and stuff, I had a viewer comment and say that they store their shoes in bags and then put them in the bins, and then they just ship them in those bags. So I could do that with my more rugged boots, put them in larger bags, and then put those in a bin. So that's a possibility as well with my big boots and stuff that I have. And then I might do that with sneakers as well, because sneakers is easy. and I don't think they really need to be on racks, but like my heels, my more delicate things need to be put on racks. So shoes will be a project over the next week or so. First I need Matt to drill in those racks into the wall because um, the nails were stripped and everything. So we need to do that. I mean, I could do it myself, but I'll just have him do it for me. And then once that is all cleared, once I start moving the shoes around, I'll have some extra totes, which then I can kind of put off to the side, probably right here, and have like ready to go when I have more inventory that I need room for to store, like my pants. I definitely will need another bin for pants if I end up getting more pants. Like if I end up sourcing more pants, they're not going to fit in that tote. Same with my tops and my blouses. I'm probably going to have to start a second tote for that. So I'll be able to use one of the shoe bins. So yeah, we've got a good plan. I think within like the next week or so, this will be done and we can start February off like in the right direction. I also want to note that pulling sales the last 3 days has been amazing because most of the stuff that I sold was already in their designated totes. It was so easy, literally less than 5 minutes for me to pull my sales. And then I kick myself because I've waited so long to do this. But like I said in the first video, I couldn't really do it in my other place. So now I can, and that's extremely exciting. And yeah, hopefully this has inspired you guys to like, if you don't have an inventory system, just to start one. Because it's really, really conducive to work and being efficient. It really is. And I've actually enjoyed the process because I've found things that weren't listed anymore that somehow dropped off of Poshmark. Are you guys having this issue? Because I'm totally having this issue where some items have just completely dropped off of Poshmark. I know it happens on eBay, but now I'm noticing it's happening on Poshmark. I have 4 pairs of leggings that I had gone through that are no longer on Poshmark, that are now in my photograph rack. So I need to do that as well. I also, as I'm going through all this, am noticing pieces that I just don't want to sell anymore. So I have another pile going for that they're either going to go to ThredUp or the Real Real. Speaking of the Real Real, has nothing to do with inventory, but they do pickups now in Rhode Island, and I'm thrilled for that. So I set up my first pickup for this weekend. It's called like white glove service pickup or something like that. And they're going to come to my house, and I have 2 big boxes that I was going to ship off, and I'm literally just going to hand them the boxes. They're going to put it in their little bags that they do, and I don't have to go anywhere or do anything. So I am totally going to be doing this. I'll try to document sections of it. I don't obviously want to document the driver or anything, so I want to respect their privacy. But I will document the process of like what happened during that time. So that was really exciting. Anyway, rambling here. I'm going to go, and my break is officially over now. So I need to go back and do some more work. After work, we're going to pick up more gallon storage bags, and then maybe meet you back here and show you how much more I get done tonight. And then go on from that. Might work from home tomorrow as well, so I can get even more of this done during my breaks. Kind of nice to work from home and be able to use my break to get the inventory done. So we will see, but I'll talk to you guys later. So I had to stop at Savers. I went to Target, which is right near the Savers I went to. Well, kind of near it. It was an excuse. So I went in. I haven't been in a Savers in a while. Probably about, well, I went in the beginning of the month and it was awful. I was there for like maybe 10 minutes and then I left. Before that was probably 2 months, month and a half, like in that range. I haven't really been going to Savers too much. The prices are high. Don't love what they have, like 90% of the time. And it just, I don't know. I just haven't been feeling it. Do you guys ever feel that way sometimes where you walk into a thrift store and you're like, don't feel it, gotta go? That's how I feel about Savers lately. Regardless. Went in, got 4 things. Got a wooden chips, like headband, mohair, headband type thing. I got a Love Your Melon beanie, which was a first for me. I've never found a Love Your Melon beanie, so that was nice. Then I got a coat, jacket. I think it's from Anthropologie. It's called Alley Hop, I believe. I don't know. It looks really nice, and it comes with the buttons, and the buttons are like in this pouch, and it looks really fancy. So I know nothing about it, but got that. It was $5.99. The last thing that I found blew my mind. I've never found this brand before. It's called, okay, don't get mad if I butcher the name, but I believe it is pronounced Drisvanoten. Okay, pretty sure that's how you say it. It is a silk blazer. It's striped. It's beautiful. It has no stains. It has no holes. It has no rippling. It's in perfect condition. It was $5.99. I'm blown away. I don't even know what to do with this piece. Do I sell it myself? Do I send it to the Real? I don't know. I've just never found it. And to me, that's really exciting. And by the way, there was nothing else in the thrift store that was even remotely close to this piece, which leads me to believe either one, a reseller already came in and wiped everything, which good on you. Glad you got all the stuff. Or two, it was something that they put out at the end of the day, and there's more of it gonna go out tomorrow. So guess who's gonna go back to Savers tomorrow to try to find more pieces? That would be me. I'm the person who's gonna do that. I'm going to continue my inventory process after I'm done eating. It's 5:30 and I need to make dinner. I need to eat myself. All I had today was breakfast. So that's really bad. I had a lot of water. I had a spiced chai latte, but I haven't eaten anything else for the day. So I need to do that. I will say, since I got sick, and since I've been kind of like healing the last almost 2 months, even before Christmas time when I got sick, gotten sick 3 times now. Anyway, I don't really have an appetite anymore. It's really hard for me to eat. I eat a little bit and then I get really full, or I eat a decent meal and then I don't eat anything for like 10 hours and I'm not hungry. And if I try to eat or I try to drink anything, I instantly want to vomit. So, it's a journey. I am only eating certain foods. It's this whole thing right now. I'm actually at this present moment having a really bad flare up with my bronchial issues, and the weather isn't helping. I mean, it's 34 out, but it's like a bitter winter cold because it snowed today. So I'm having a really hard time breathing on top of everything. So things are great. It's just life. There's nothing I can really do about it, right? This is just a reality of life. So time is wasting. I'm talking to you, which I love to do, but I do need to get home, which will take me like about 10 minutes. And then I need to make dinner, and then we're going to go back upstairs and we're going to start processing things again and see how far we get tonight. Maybe we can accomplish 2 more totes. That's my goal, is to finish 2 more totes and do nothing else. Pull my sales, which I've already pulled half of them, and maybe show you what those sales are and then kind of go from there. All right. So I'll see you back at the house. All right, we're back up here, but we're going to call it a night because I'm tired and I need to take a shower. I need to get ready for the day tomorrow. But I did get both athletic wear totes done. So my Lululemon tote and the rest of the athletic wear is done. Let's flip the camera over so you can see what I'm going to be working with tomorrow. Okay, so I got my storage bags. They were $5.99 at Target, and there's 75 in them, so I got 3 boxes. Okay, tomorrow after work, what I'm going to do is tackle all this stuff that's overflowing in this tote, and that's it. I'm not going to do anything else until the weekend because I've spent a lot of time doing this, and as you can see, we have some progress. So this tote and this tote was what I did today. Both of them are athletic wear. So I'm probably going to get another tote in here tomorrow, and then that will be it until weekend time. I did photograph some things. So I think there was like 30 items, and now there's 15 hanging and just 3 pairs of shoes. So that is good. I'm probably not going to source again. Oh, and I have the 4 items in my car. I forgot about that. So I have those 4 items in my car and all this. So I'm not going to source this weekend because this will hold me over until next week, which is great. And then this is the final project of probably next week. So you are probably going to see, I don't know, like 2 more installments maybe of this process, maybe 3. We'll see how it all goes. But I'm actually really proud of myself to get this done in such a short period of time. It's only been a week and a couple days. So yeah, this is really good. This is good progress. I already feel better, especially since I don't really have that much to do, and it's actually giving me a good idea of how much inventory I actually have. Sometimes when you see the number, you think it's so much, but now that it's all organized and it's all in its proper places, I really don't have that much stuff, and I like it that way. I'm not going to change that. I want to keep it this lean and this streamlined. Maybe add another 50 or so pieces. Basically, whatever I buy replenishes the things that have sold for the month. That's basically how it works for me, and I like that process. So yeah, I'm feeling really good. I think as time goes on, this space in totality will be a little bit more organized and better flow to it. But for right now, this is the main priority. So I will see you guys next time with an update as to where we're at with all the clothes. Hopefully the clothes will be done and we'll be moving on to shoes. All right, talk to you guys next time.